The absolute biggest mistake that engineering teams make while building their AI agents is spending their 80% of time in tweaking their prompt. Well, you see, prompt do not solve the architectural problems that we have. Let's talk about the shift. So teams are actually obsessed over telling the AI how to behave, but they completely ignore the enterprise infrastructure their AI actually needs to act. An agent is only as smart as the data it can securely access. If your architecture relies on messy, hard-coded API integrations, no amount of prompt engineering can save it. Let's talk about the solution architecture. This is exactly where the Model Context Protocol (MCP) sits. MCP fits cleanly between your LLM layers and underlying business systems. It handles secure data pipelines, tool routing, and context delivery just out of the box. So shift your budget now from perfect prompt writing techniques towards building a robust and strong MCP infrastructure.